morning, guys. It's a beautiful, chilly morning here in northern Mississippi. Wait, northern Mississippi? Yeah, we're in northern Mississippi right now. We're gonna be gone for about a week, doing a little bit of the south, Mississippi, maybe Alabama, Louisiana, then head back up to Missouri. This morning we're gonna do a little walkthrough of the van and all of its fun features and everything like that, so y'all can see that. Since I promised you in the last video, this one would have the van. But first, did you know you can't fly your drone if your batteries are colder than 15 degrees Celsius? I didn't. Not until just right now, when my drone wouldn't fly. Apparently, the batteries need to be warmed to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. So, right now, my battery's in my pocket. Hoping to warm this little guy up. Come on, DJI, get your crap together. Success! I warmed it up enough. Woohoo! Fly, little buddy. Fly away. Here's the big reveal of the bus. The bus has everything you could ever want in a modern vehicle. It has a bumper, headlights, rubber tires, windows galore, so many windows. It has a girl working on her blog, which you can see right here. A sticker, and another bumper sticker. A tent that pops out over the door. Door handles that lock, and it takes gasoline. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. There's no possible way it could get any crazier inside. Josh, you can't let us inside. We're gonna go crazy. Well, get prepared. Take your crazy pills, cause we're going inside. Whoa, we're inside now. We have leather seats. Welcome aboard, guys. We have all of the amenities. Stick shift. We've got a block of wood, a good handy dandy map. This thing opens up, and we've got storage above. Up here, we just got a bunch of crap, dog food, sleeping bags and stuff. It is quite roomy. There's plenty of room for my head to not hit anything while standing up, thanks to the bubble top. Charger that gets charged from a solar panel. It's currently charging my batteries. We've got tables, nice little closets in here for stuff. Our little food pantry in here. A fridge, which currently has not much in it. And we've also got ourselves a little stove to cook. This thing is the bed back here. Chair folds down. The bed pulls out. And there's 2 memory foam mattresses and this little extra guy right here. And that's what we sleep on with our pillows and our blankies. If y'all have any other questions about our bus, just shoot me a comment and I'll try to tell you guys. We'll be in here quite a bit, so you'll probably get very acquainted with the inside of this bus. As for the rest of our day, I don't know what we're doing. We got a whole week to figure it out. We made it to Holly Springs National Forest. We're at the Puscos lake. Right there is the lake. And there's supposedly a mile-long hiking trail. We are currently walking on possibly that, I guess. And we think we found a dam. Definitely looks like a dam. There's the lake, there's a dam, and there's a bunch of water shooting out. Yep, it looks like they're releasing a little bit of water. Look at what we just found. Just this real slimy material. And I think there's baby frog in there. There's quite a few of them. And this was clearly a mud puddle filled with water for a while. They look like tadpoles, I think. If you guys know if those are tadpoles, let us know in the comments. I'd be real interested to find out. Alright guys, enough fun and games. I'm gonna teach you a little bit of something here. This tree right behind me is a bald cypress tree. They really like to grow in swampy areas and just really wet spots. One of the cool things about bald cypresses, besides them growing in the swamp and looking really cool, is one of the only conifers who lose their leaves. I think there's only like 5 or 6 conifer trees, which are like pine trees, that lose their leaves in the winter. As you can see, there's no leaves up there. These are the bald cypress leaves right here. Another cool thing about bald cypress, these bald cypress knees, which are these things right here. You can see them growing out of the creek. Nobody 100% knows what the bald cypress knees are for, but you'll see them all the time whenever there's a cypress tree around. The current hypothesis is that they help give air to the roots, especially when it's like flooded like it is right now. These roots are completely underwater, right? So there's no way for them to get air. These knees could help bring air. Another thought is they may stabilize the tree for erosion, and that's the end of Tree Time with Josh. Well, we drove all day down to southern Mississippi, and we just pulled into our campground. It's now 8:30 at night. We're slowly making some food. That's what's happening right here. Gonna make ourselves some wraps. Then we're probably gonna head off to sleep so that tomorrow we can do whatever we're gonna do tomorrow. We don't know what that is yet either. If you ever find yourself in this situation where you don't know what to do, just remember one thing: find your adventure and go outside.